Hey guys, what's going on? Today we are going to be doing a fidget spinner opening video, so yep. Alright, first fidget spinner is a white fidget spinner I ordered on eBay. Yeah, this is a fidget spinner. White, just gonna pop out the bearing, pop out the cap. So, yep. Really good. So, yep. We're gonna get moving to the next one. So yeah, this is the second fidget spinner in black. I really like this one actually. Again, these are the bearings. And yeah, we're gonna get moving to the third one. Alright guys, this is the third fidget spinner. Look, I'm gonna open it up. It's a blue torque bar one. I really like this one actually. And yep. So yeah, thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to subscribe. And yeah.